Hello students, good morning. It is your history period. We are studying the chapter 2 Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. The topic will be support for socialism and the Russian Empire in 1914. इस टॉपिक में हम पढ़ेंगे कि सोशलिज्म यानी समाजवाद का सपोर्ट किस तरह से हुआ और रशियन एम्पायर 1914 में किस तरह से था, कहाँ तक फैला हुआ था। फर्स्ट वी स्टडी अबाउट द सपोर्ट फॉर सोशलिज्म. Socialists formed an international body known as the Second International. Socialists means follower of socialism. One who follow socialism is known as socialist. At that time, the socialists formed an international body that is known as Second International. The set of funds for helping members in the time of distress and demanded a reduction of working hours and the right to vote. In this way, the people, those were the follower of socialism, they set up fund to help the people. Those are member of Second International at the time of need, and they demanded reduction, means socialists demanded reduction in working hours, means the workers, those who were working in factories or other places, collectively they demanded less working hours and also right to vote. In Germany, these associations work with the Socialist Democratic Party and help in winning the parliament election. In Germany, the association of socialists work with the Socialist Democratic Party. It means in Germany there was a political party formed by the socialists. In this way, this party, the member of this party means Socialist Democratic Party, helped in winning the parliamentary election. मीन्स ये सोशलिस्ट पार्टी जो थी, सोशलिस्ट डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी, पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन में जीतने के लिए सहयोग किया. In 1905, Socialist and Trade Unionists formed the Labour Party in Britain and the Socialist Party in France. The Socialists and Trade Unionists मतलब जो समाजवादी लोग थे और ट्रेड यूनियन के जो मेंबर थे, इन लोगों ने मिलकर के 1905 में ब्रिटेन में एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बनाया जिसको लेबर पार्टी कहा जाता था, एंड द सोशलिस्ट पार्टी इन फ्रांस, और फ्रांस में द सपोर्टर ऑफ सोशलिज्म मीन्स सोशलिस्ट्स formed a party that was called Socialist Party. That was called Socialist Party in France. Socialism, however, could not precede the influence of the radical, liberal and कंजर्वेटिव्स। वैसे जो सोशलिज्म एट दैट टाइम रनिंग with the help of follower of socialism, those were called socialists, had no any effect on radicals, liberals and कंजर्वेटिव्स। जो समाजवादी क्रांति चली थी उसका असर रेडिकल, लिबरल एंड कंजर्वेटिव पर नहीं पड़ा। इस तरह से सोशलिज्म डेवलप्ड इन होल वर्ल्ड with the help of the follower of socialists and different associations belonging to socialism. The follower of socialism in Germany formed a political party that was known as Socialist Democratic Party. In Britain, Socialist and Trade Unionists formed Labour Party, and in France, the follower of socialism means socialists formed Socialist Party in France. In this way, socialism spread near about all over Europe and also in the world. The Russian Empire in 1914. In 1914, Russia was ruled by Tsar Nicholas II. You have studied about French Revolution. The last king of France was Louis XVI. He was related to Bourbon dynasty. Likewise, in Russia, Tsar dynasty was ruling over, and Tsar Nicholas was the last king of Tsar regime. He was thrown away from his rule by the Russian Revolution led by leader of Communist Party Lenin, and they are established the rule of Communist Party at the end of the Russian Revolution. The Russian Empire included several current day countries including Finland, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, parts of Poland, Ukraine, Belarus, Central Asian states, Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan, and the territory outside Moscow. In this way, Russian Empire was spread over not only one continent, but it was spread from Europe to Asia, and it was a very vast empire, but at this time it was divided into 15 countries. It was divided into 15 countries. The religion was predominantly Russian Orthodox Christianity. यहाँ पर लोग रशियन ऑर्थोडॉक्स क्रिश्चियनिटी यानी ईसाई धर्म को मानने वाले लोग थे। आज भी यहाँ पर ईसाई धर्म मानने वालों की संख्या सबसे ज़्यादा है। इट मीन्स द रिलीजन ऑफ रशिया इज ऑर्थोडॉक्स क्रिश्चियनिटी। In this way, the end of Tsar Nicholas create a new ruling system in Russia, and after Tsar Nicholas, Russia was ruled by Communist Party headed by Lenin, and also at this time in Russia there is communist rule. Students, your class is over. Okay, thank you.